Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access Google Tasks directly from Google Calendar. This is one of the neatest features about Google Tasks. It's basically a lot like Google Keep, only it integrates with Google Calendar and will add the tasks directly to your calendar, so you can see by looking at your calendar when you have tasks that need to be completed. All right, so here I am at my calendar. On my calendar home screen, and I'm going to go over to the right hand side, and I see this little blue check mark that indicates Google Tasks, and I'm just going to click on that, and it opens up a sidebar just for Google Tasks. And from this sidebar I can do a number of things. I can add a new task, or if I have groups of tasks that I've named, like the Summer PD, My Tasks, which would just be random tasks that haven't been categorized, or Dan Vandemonte's lists, create a new list. Or if you have certain tasks which are really important, you can star them and you can access your group of starred tasks as well. And if you click on the little snowman menu over here, list options, you can change the order in which the tasks are sorted by. You can rename them, print them, and a bunch of options from this little sidebar. If I go to a list that actually has tasks in it, you'll see a bunch of different tasks, and you can start to manage them directly from this. All right, so if you're on Google Calendar and you want to integrate them, your tasks, with Google Calendar, you can do that directly from Google Calendar. In the rest of the tutorials on Google Tasks, I will be working directly from the Tasks main site. So that will be it for this, aside from maybe a few bits and videos later on where I show you how it looks in Google Calendar or whatever. But as far as the mechanics of using Google Tasks is concerned, I will do that directly from that website.